Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best HVAC tubing bender is probably one of the most important tools for HVAC technicians and DIY enthusiasts alike, ensuring clean, efficient refrigerant lines, and preventing costly leaks and system failures. In this video, we will review the top-rated HVAC tubing benders on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, durability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect bender for your needs, whether you're a seasoned professional or tackling a home AC repair. Number 5. Hilmor CBK Bender Kit. This kit is powerful yet compact, designed to tackle tight spaces with ease. It delivers high-quality bends without compromising on performance. Setting it up is a breeze. Just attach the crossbar and mandrel, click the lever, and you're ready to bend your tubing. Pump the lever to achieve your desired angle up to 90 degrees. Then, press the release trigger to easily remove the tubing, preventing damage. It's designed for single-handed use. The ratcheting mechanism and release lever give you precise control and make bending simple. It handles a wide variety of tubing sizes, from 1 4-inch all the way up to 7 8-inch. All the necessary parts are included. With its compact design, ease of use, and versatility, it's the ideal tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Get yours today. What we like. It fits into tight spaces effortlessly. If you need a powerful yet compact bender for precise work in confined areas, this is the one for you. Its ease of setup makes it perfect for quick jobs. What people say. Buy the right tools for the job, don't risk kinking your copper tubing. This is easy to use, works fantastic. A click of the bender here, a click there, and it all came together without a hitch. Very well made, sturdy, easy to use, and comes in a hard shell case. The fit and finish of the tool and bending heads is nice and smooth. I've had no problems bending copper and electrical conduit. This particular kit contains the most frequently used sizes. Number 4. ICOOL Tubing Bender Kit. This comprehensive kit makes bending tubing a breeze. It's perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It comes with 7 different heads to handle various tubing sizes, from 1 4-inch to 7 8-inch. These durable aluminum alloy heads are built to last. The unique design allows for precise, effortless bending of soft copper and aluminum tubing up to 90 degrees. You'll get clean, consistent bends every time. This kit also includes a handy tube cutter with a reamer and extra blade, capable of cutting tubing from 1/8 to 1 to 1/8 inches. It's everything you need in one convenient package. The kit comes with everything you need: the bender, 2 fixed supports, 7 heads, a tube cutter, and a sturdy carrying case for easy transport and storage. It's ready to go whenever you are. It's perfect for a variety of applications, from HVAC and refrigeration to plumbing and more. It's the ideal tool for both professional and occasional use. What we like. This kit comes with multiple heads for various tube sizes and a bonus pipe cutter. If you're looking for a durable, all-in-one solution with added convenience, this kit is a great choice. The extra cutter saves you time and money. What people say. At first I was leery of this bender, but after bending both 3/8 and 7/8 ACR copper I was impressed. It did a good job for being an inexpensive tool. In my final thoughts, I used grease from my grease gun on the copper pipe and it didn't kink at all. So yes, anyone who is bending soft copper or aluminum pipe, yes, I would recommend this. It is made well and it will last if you take care of it. Easy to use after I read the directions. Sturdy. Number 3. Hilmor CBRBM Bender. This attachment transforms your Hilmor compact bender into a powerful tool for precise reverse bends. It's perfect for various soft metal tubing. It effortlessly bends soft metal pipes and tubing. Its unique design allows it to reach tight spaces without compromising quality. Simply attach the crossbar and mandrel, click the lever into place, and you're ready to bend. It's quick and easy to set up. Pump the lever to achieve the desired angle up to 90 degrees. Then, release the trigger to easily remove the tubing. It bends various sizes of tubing, from 1 4-inch to 7 8, made of soft metals like copper, steel, aluminum, and brass. It handles a wide range of materials. What we like. It's a powerful attachment that adds reverse bending capability to your existing bender. If you need to perform reverse bends and already own a compatible bender, this attachment is a must-have. It maintains the compact and powerful design you're used to. What people say. These Hilmor benders are a lot easier to work with and are built a bit better than the CPS. The reverse is definitely helpful to have on the job sites. This reverse kit worked great with my Hilmor tool to straighten out a bent 3/4 copper line on my evaporator coil. Number 2. Tube Bender Kit. This kit is a must-have for any professional or DIY enthusiast. It's designed to handle a wide range of tubing sizes and materials, making it incredibly versatile. It allows for both forward and reverse bending, giving you complete control over your projects. Achieve precise bends every time with ease. Made from high-quality 40 CR and 45 steel, it's built to withstand daily use. You can count on it for years to come. It's compatible with a variety of materials, including thin-walled steel, aluminum, soft copper, and PVC pipes. It handles various projects with ease. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: 7 different bender heads, a reverse bending tool, a pipe cutter, a deburring tool, and a convenient carrying case. We stand behind the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 3-year warranty. It's perfect for automotive, refrigeration, HVAC, and hydraulic system work. It's a valuable tool for any professional or serious DIYer. What we like. It offers both forward and reverse bending capabilities, along with a complete set of tools. If you need a versatile kit for various bending needs and appreciate the convenience of having all the necessary tools in one place, this is an excellent option. The included pipe cutter and deburring tool add extra value. What people say. He said this is perfect. Used the product right after receiving it, worked great. It made a 90-degree bend with no crinkles. Most other benders crinkles the 7/8 copper, making a bad bend for AC work. Number 1. 3-in-1 Tube Bender. This versatile tool makes bending tubing a breeze. It's perfect for various applications, saving you time and effort. It easily handles 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 outer diameter tubes. No need for multiple tools. It's made from durable, lightweight aluminum alloy. The soft rubber handle ensures a comfortable grip. It provides a smooth, consistent bend every time, up to 180 degrees. Achieve professional results with ease. Use it for HVAC, refrigeration, automotive, and more. It's the ideal tool for any professional or DIY enthusiast. Remember, it's designed for soft copper and aluminum tubes with a wall thickness between 0.7 mm and 1.5 mm. Using it on thicker tubes may damage them. What we like. It's a compact 3-in-1 tool capable of bending up to 180 degrees. If you're working with soft copper or aluminum tubes and need a lightweight, portable tool for various bending angles, this is a great choice. Its simple design makes it easy to use. What people say. Works great, fits tubing precisely, makes clean bends, and it's aluminum, so it's lightweight. It bends the tube well with no kinks. I used to bend soft copper for HVAC purposes. Easy to use, I'm keeping it. This tubing bender worked great for the 1/4 and 1/2 copper tubing I needed to bend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.